I want to tell you what work. To be able to complete a YouTube 100 subscription very quickly. In this video, 6 new important ways. If he obeys, 100 first subscribe very fast can meet from normal mode. Maybe you are familiar with some of these techniques. But some are new, especially the 6th technique. You haven't seen it, let me explain to you with examples. Let's take a look at the measures and techniques. The first technique. This step is followed by the most advanced YouTubers. And the small YouTubers does not take into account that it must be respected. For example, an advanced YouTube that uses any techniques. The same little YouTubers does the same thing. That's a big mistake. For example, a person has a large shop, another small, and the big shop pays a 40% discount. And small stores cannot afford to pay 40% off. Because they fail, they don't have as much power as that big shop. This subject is on the YouTube. The same technique must comply with a small YouTubers, which should provide a subscription link to the details. And ask applicants to subscribe to my channel. That way you can get more subscribers. Now let's create a subscription link. It's very simple to read in the search. Subscribe link generator. Go to the first website. The first channel link. Click on the generator option. Our link was created. The new link is enough. Now let's test if it's healthy. Okay. This link forces you to subscribe. And also be sure to subscribe to our other very important video, which reaches you first. Let's get to the second technique. The second technique is to upload short videos. Here are some channels. Short video is also very important to get more customers, which can be used as a technique. Let's get to the third technique. If you want to get more subscribers, your channel must be specialized. For example, first of all, you have to upload a video on a topic, and finally you have to raise the same topic. This mentality also exists on YouTube. They also need a specialized personality. Once the channel is moving forward, you can do whatever. Let's get to the fourth technique. For 100 first customers should be present in the video. Do you think there is an YouTubers without a face? Definitely has a face, so he has to be present in the video. Let's get to the fifth technique. Some upload special videos but no changes are known in the video. 1 video, 10 videos, even 100 of them are an amount. There is no change in it. These channels can never progress. There must be a definite change in your video production. This is the most important technique. You need to know enough information about YouTube to develop the YouTube channel. Let's take a look at the sixth technique. If you want a subject to go to YouTube, you must have full control over that subject. Then one can get a better result on YouTube. Thank you for staying with us. The channel has also subscribed to you to get our skills first. God bless the other video.